now I'm gonna put in the adhesive and I can turn over the flange. The flange all bent up. Now I can do the filler work. For the first layer I used the glass fiber booty. Looking sweet. A lot of slow spots here still. Ready for the next coat of filler, body filler that is. That should be loose now. At least I think. Oh yes. There's this. Need to get that wire through for the mirror. It is kinda tight. That is actually not that difficult to remove. So yeah. Now I'm gonna go and get this put away so I don't break it. There is some rust also, but hopefully no welding on that one, but we will see. So, I've got everything removed from that door that I needed to remove. On that one, most of the body filler work is done. I'm gonna finish it on the car, but to put it on the car, I'm now gonna address those hinges. Get those cleaned up and put some primer on those, and then I can leave those to dry for an hour or so, and then I can install those onto the door itself, and then finally put the door, bolt the door in. looking like new. While those hinges are drying there, I'm gonna dismantle the rear door. Later on, that frame needs some fixing as well, and this part here, but that's later. And the other side, rear door frame, window frame was worse than that, but no worries. I've got a welder, I can fix anything. Nyt otsima kulmanen. Poltit üldse panin raisk. Nice! The door is now installed. Next operation is sanding down all of the car from the outside. So let's do that real fast. So I also pulled this, what is it, rubber away and sanded in between there as well, so that paint can properly stick there. I don't even know what that mess is all about, man, but I'm gonna fix it. That's welded it in. Now I'm gonna just grind it and we'll be done with that. But actually, should I weld those holes as well? I'm not gonna bother with those. Those will not be seen. Yeah, right, I'm not gonna bother. I'm gonna do those as well. I'm gonna do those and we will see you then. Got those holes also filled with weld. And now I can grind those nice and flush. I got all those scuffed down as well. So next onto the rear doors. I have one more rust spot to fix on the driver's door. So I'm gonna do that now. Still filler work and sanding going on. But I got all the door jambs and the insides of the doors scuffed down. But yeah, basically sanding the filler all over the place, then apply some more where necessary, and that's how it goes. I'm gonna continue with sanding and we will go from there. So this piece of wood serves as my Dura block, but it is straight, so it does basically the same job. Got the spots marked with tape, which needs some little amount of body filler more. Mostly those are just small pinholes and stuff like that. So I'm gonna now fill those and hopefully the last sanding after that. So finally, guys, it is time to lay primer on this car. Huge milestone for me. It's finally gonna be all one color. It has been quite a job, I must say. Quite a job. A lot of welding. I mean, a lot of welding. And also aluminum welding. Holy hell. And a lot of body filler job. Because this car was total piece of crap before, you know. And me not having too much money, I decided to salvage the panels that were on the car, so. But it was a lot of work. But okay, let's get some primer on this thing now. Awesome, mates. This is really awesome. All the door jambs, all nicely primered, doors from the inside.